Today we'll solve some mixed problems on quadratic equation. Look at here. I'll revise few questions on this. Suppose our first question is completing the square method. Square method to solve the quadratic equation. Okay. To start with a very simple question. Suppose I have 3x minus x square equals to 0. First question. So let me make, because the formula you remember it is a square plus or minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. That means a square and b square should be positive. Here it is negative. So if you take to that side, it is x square minus 3x equals to 0. X square will go here plus 3x will be minus, so it will be 0. But look at here, a square minus 2ab. That means this one you have to write 2ab form. So there is no 2 here. So what I have to do is, if I have to bring 2, then I have to divide also 2. Because if you only multiply 2, the value will be changed. So that is why you have to, whatever you multiply, same you have to divide. Now look at 2ab. So a is x, b is 3 by 2. Now you need plus b square means you have 8 here plus 3 by 2 square, b square minus b square. If any other term, then that will be right here. Got note over here. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, equal minus will go that side plus 9 by 4. Okay, then x minus 3 by 2 equals to plus minus root over of 9 by 4. This implies x minus 3 by 2 plus minus 9 by 4 is 3 by 2. So plus minus means we will get two values. So like x minus 3 by 2 equals to plus 3 by 2. X minus 3 by 2 equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, another item, this will go that side, implies x is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. To denominator is set, you can add the numerator. 9 by 6, 3 plus 3, 6 by 2. Therefore, x equals to 3. This part is done. Come back to this part. X equals to minus 3 by 2. This will go this side plus 3 by 2. Same number you can cancel. X equals to 0. She got two values. X equals to 0 and 3. Okay. Now let's take one more question. X square 3x square or I'll take x square minus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. This is a basic question. So look at here. You have to write x square, you have to get 2. In the previous question there was no 2, but you can have a 2 in this. Because 2 is already, because 2 into 3. So you write 2 into 3. No need to multiply. Because 6 is already there, means it has a factor of 2. So 2 into 3x. Now the question is, what is b now? B became 3. So first you have to make plus 3 square minus 3 square. Plus b square minus b square. After that, this 9 you have to write here. Okay. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square x minus 3 whole square minus 9, minus is here, minus 9 plus 9 equals to 0. This gets cancelled. That means x minus 3 whole square equals to 0. X minus 3 equals to plus minus root of 0. 0 means 1 value. Implies x minus 3 equals to only 0 you can write. Because plus 0 minus 0 is same. Therefore, x is equal to 0 plus 3. But it is a quadratic equation, it should have two values. So repeated roots 3 and 3. Because one value are given, other is also same. Repeated roots. Okay. Now let's go to a difficult question. The difficult one is, suppose I take a question 3x square plus 10 equals to 11x. 3x square plus 10 equals to 11x. First x you have to bring here. 3x square minus 11x plus 10. So previous question you are finding like this, x square minus 6x plus 9 is 0. Means coefficient was 1 here. But here it is 3. So I have to remove 3. Means you have to take 3 common. If you take 3 common, what will you get? This will be x square. But there is no 3 here. So you have to divide here. There is no 3 here, you have to again divide here. Equals to 0. This 3 you can divide here. X square minus 11 by 3x plus 10 by 3 equals to 0 by 3, that is 0. Now it became a standard form. A square, you have to write 2ab then b square. But in 11 there is no 2. So what you have to do is you have to multiply 2, you have to divide 2. Means it will be like this, x square minus 2, 11 by 3. That means if you divide 2, means 2 you have to write in the denominator, into x. So b is how much? B became 11 by 6. So plus 11 by 6 whole square minus 11 by 6 whole square. Every time you have to make plus b square minus b square. After that, this you have to write 10 by 3 equals to 0. Okay. Combine this. What will you get? X minus a square 2ab plus b square minus 11 by 6 whole square. Okay, let's simplify. Minus 121 by 36 plus 10 by 3 equals to 0. But this is not recorded, this will take to that side. Implies x minus 11 by 6 whole square. This will go that side, 121 by 36 minus 10 by 3 equals to 0. Sorry, this you have taken that side. Okay. Now, this is x minus 11 by 6 whole square. What is LCM? 36. 36 by 36 is 1. 121 into 1. 36 by 3 is 12. So implies x minus 11 by 6 whole square 121 minus 120 by 36. X minus 11 by 6 whole square is 1 by 36. Now it is simplified. So what it will do? Square root. The square root means x minus 11 by 6 equals to plus minus 1 by 36. X minus 11 by 6 equals to plus minus 1 by 6. X minus 11 by 6 equals to 1 by 6. X minus 11 by 6 equals to minus 1 by 6. X equals to 1 by 6. This will go that side. Plus 11 by 6. Implies x equals to denominator same 6. Add the numerator 1 plus 11. So x is equal to 12 by 6. That is 2. This part is done. Come back to this. X equal to, this will go that side, minus 1 by 6 is there, this will be plus 11 by 6. So x equals to 6 LCM minus 1 plus 11. 10 by 6. 5, 2, 5. 2, 3. Okay, let's take one more. Root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 equals to 0. So what you have to do is, you have to remove this. So to remove this means take root 3 common. Here is x square, here is no root 3. So 10 by root 3 then x. Because no root 3 means you have to divide. But here is root 3, so it is 7. Okay. Now this root 3 you divide here. X square plus 10 by root 3x plus 7 equals to 0 by root 3, that is 0. Okay, now look here. You have to write 2ab. First, because in 10 there is 2, so you take out the 2. Where it is not there, you have to multiply divide, but here it is here. So x square 2. So when you take out 2, how much? Now 5 by root 3. Into 5 10 x. Now this is your b. So plus 5 by root 3 square minus 5 by root 3 square. After that this 7 you write. X a square 2ab plus b square plus 5 by root 3 whole square. Minus, this is 25 by 3 plus 7 equals to 0. Now take this one to that side. So how much you will get? You will get this will go that side plus this will go that side minus. This implies x plus 5 by root 3. LCM is 3. So this is 25. No denominator, multiply here 21. Okay. Implies x plus 5 by root 3 whole square 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Then implies x plus 5 by root 3 equals to plus minus root over of 4 by 3. X plus 5 by root 3 plus minus 4 is 2 by root 3. Then x equals x plus 5 by root 3 equals to 2 by root 3. X plus 5 by root 3 equals to minus 2 by root 3. Okay, one plus below, other one is minus 2. Implies x equals to 2 by root 3 minus 5 by root 3. So x equals to 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 hours, minus 3. Now listen, x means minus 3 means there are 2 root 3's like this. Because root 3 into root 3 is 3. So when you write like this, 1 is there. X is equal to minus 1. Okay, come back to this side. X equals to minus 2 by root 3 minus 5 by root 3. Root 3 LCM minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 by root 3. You cannot simplify this. It will remain like that. So like this now I have given. I will give you few questions. You will try to solve. Okay. Let us see. I am giving 2 questions. At least 2, 3 you have to do. First question. X square minus 2x equals to 0. Second. X square minus 8x plus 12x 36 plus 5 36 suppose 0. Third is 12x square minus x minus 1 is 0. 12x square minus x minus 1 is 0. You try to do how we will do it. Fourth suppose x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equals to 0. Try to solve this 4. Okay, now I'll take few questions. That is nature of the roots question. So nature of the roots you see here. Division questions I am taking. That is, find the value of k so that the equations have equal roots. Find the value of k so that the equations 9x square plus kx plus 81 is equal to 9x square plus kx plus 81 equals to 0 है equal to. Okay, so to find ABC, what is A? 9. What is B? 8. What is C? 81. So for equal rows, B square minus 4AC equals to 0. K square minus 4 into 9 into 81 is 0. So how to solve? K square minus 4 into 9, 36, 81. Equals to 0. So k square equals to 2916. K equals to plus minus root over of 2916. So that is a shortcut method to do here, because root over of 4 is 2, root over of 9 is 3, root over 81 is 9. That means your answer directly 2 into 3 into 9, 54. Okay, this also should come 54, but why I am doing this is because again I have to remind you how to find the square root. This is direct method. Take this one to right side, root over 4 का root over 2, 9 का root over 3, 81 का root over 9, 54. But I am teaching you so that I will remind you how to find the square root. Look at here, 2916. Make pair first. 5, 5 is 25. 4, 1, 6. This 5 you take here. Then last number is 6. Try with 4. 4, 4 is 16. Carry 1. 4, 0, 0, 1. 4, 1 is 4. That means 54 is coming. Plus minus 54. Same thing here. But if you know how to find square root, you can do also shortcut method. Okay. Now let's take one more. Find the value of k so that the following equations have equal roots. Find the value of k so that the following equations quadratic equation is equal. So what is the equation given? The k plus 4 whole x square, then k plus 1x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so find out what is A, k plus 4, what is B, k plus 1, what is C, 1. Now for equal roots, b square minus 4ac should be 0. See it carefully. B square, k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into k plus 4 into 1 equals to 0. A plus b whole square, a square, 2 into a into b plus b square. okay, minus 4k minus 16 equals to 0. Implies k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 4k minus 16 equals to 0. Implies k square 2k minus 4k is minus 2k minus 15 equals to 0. So again quadratic equation. So by splitting the delta we can do. You can split it. 5 3s are 15. 5k minus 3k minus 15 equals to 0. Now you open the bracket. Minus 5k plus 3k plus 15 equals to 0. K into k minus 5. It is minus 15. Plus 3 into k minus 5 equals to 0. So k minus 5, k plus 3 equals to 0. So k minus 5 equals to 0 or k plus 3 equals to 0, k equals to 5, k equals to minus 3, k is equal to minus 3 5. Okay, so you will try a question. Find the value of k so that the equation that is 2x square plus kx minus 15. Okay. Second I can give a question. (4x square minus 2 into k plus 1x). This total is your b. B is minus 2 into k plus 1x. Then plus k plus 4. This is your C. Third question, that is k plus 4x square. This I did, I think. I'll give another one. K square x square minus 2 into 2k minus 1x plus 4 equal this. So try to complete this. In the next class we'll start a new chapter, that is your geometry.